and welcome to another property tour with Beatty Real Estate. Today we are at the address in Creek Harbour where we've got this beautiful 3-bedroom, fully fitted and furnished property where everything is ready from day one. It's also vacant on transfer. You've got plenty of space to make yourself at home here with lots of natural light flowing in. The real highlight of this property is the view from every bedroom and living room where you have completely unobstructed views of the Burj Khalifa. Plus, as it's a high floor position, you get to enjoy sweeping views of the surrounding water as well. Inside the property, we've got a WC, a shared shower room for 2 bedrooms, and a spacious master ensuite with a separate shower and bath. The master bedroom also features a walk-in wardrobe, and the living room and guest bedroom each have their own balcony. To arrange a viewing, please get in touch today.